In this workshop, I'm going to focus basically on how to delegate tasks to the people at home and to make sure that they remain motivated and encouraged to do their work. Hello everybody and happy Monday. So today I want to announce my workshop for tomorrow, which is on the 29th of June, which is about delegation and team motivation from home. In this workshop, I'm going to focus basically on how to delegate tasks to the people at home and to make sure that they remain motivated and encouraged to do their work. This can be tricky because many people find it difficult to, without supervision, actually do what they need to do. So I'm going to give you some methods that allow you to give people that responsibility themselves. Also, I'm going to help you to provide a structure for the people in your team who work from home. This way they'll have a better idea of what needs to happen and also when. And in addition, I'm going to help you guys set a clear target for the people who are actually working from home. This way they will be allowed to see what needs to get done, and also a very good tool to allow people to work with you as a manager to make sure that you're always on the same page. Once you have that set, there'll be less questions from your end how successful and effective people are when they are working from home. So join us tomorrow for this workshop. I'll see you then. Bye.